These past few days I've been power buffing butter, my 1985 300 TD wagon. Now some of you may be wondering about the name. Somebody on YouTube said, Kent, you should name this car butter. It is the color of butter and the engine runs like butter, so butter it is. But I just want to share with you a few tips if you should take a power buffer to one of these old Mercedes-Benzes. The first thing is remove the side trim strips if you can. You can't believe how much junk is in behind there. Sometimes there's even rust, which you'll want to treat with Miracle Paint, or it'll just keep growing. But you get those strips off, that gives you a real clean surface to power buff the paint. Now, the other thing you want to do, and this is really important, is cover up all the hard black plastic with tape. If you get rubbing compound in that black plastic, you're going to spend hours trying to clean it up. So you want to go around, you want to do the bumper rubbers, you want to go around the window parts that are black rubber, anything that you don't want to get the power buffing compound on. You know, the aluminum, anodized aluminum, that's no problem. I've got some other issues with this. I'm going to be pulling this off and cleaning underneath here and probably replacing these scraper seals. And when you're done, you're going to have to put all new red clips in the holes. You're going to have to cut off the old clips from the trim, clean the trim, put it back on. But those are the tips I leave with you. Take off as much trim as you can and be sure to put blue masking tape over all those hard black plastic parts before you hit it with the power buffer.